Alright guys, so I actually got a little helper today. I got my little man out here. And yeah, about to get to it. Alright guys, so time to open the sucker up. I got this at Harbor Freight a while back. I don't know if the camera catches it, but it is freaking dusty. It's been sitting for a minute. Got my little boy with me, and it's time to put this sucker in. I'm gonna go look for the cap. I know I got one of these sitting around somewhere, so I'm gonna go look for it, and that's gonna cover that other corner.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, buddy. Got my battery connected. Everything's basically already on. I'm gonna wrap these suckers up, fix up the ones that are a bit beat up right now, and just show us some love. We'll be driving it this week, and I still gotta do this one too. Draining the oil today, and then hopefully dropping the turbo today and getting my new turbo on. Yeah. Not this one. This one. This is Knuckles Turbo. I got manifold sitting right here on this 8WM head. Yeah, little by little. Now let me figure out what I was coming in here for, and then we'll get straight to it. Alright, so I was looking for my knife, my blade, so I could open up that Harbor Freight Dremel, but I think it's somewhere back here. Yes, it is. It's over there. So I'm gonna stop and let me set up the GoPro, and then we'll start it. Oh, I think before I do that, I should tell you guys. Yesterday, it did get dark on me. I did end up tapping into the wire that you need to tap into, the ground wire that comes in the turbo timer. I tapped into the wire that has brown and white. I'll slap on a picture, because to be honest with you, yesterday was so dark, and yeah, I just couldn't manage to record what I was doing, and it was kind of a itch because this thing is pretty difficult to take out. I got to take out both, so there was just too much work to do just to connect one freaking wire. So I just sliced into it, did my thing, and yeah, it's on, and turbo timer's working. So yeah, what I was getting back to, let me open up this Dremel real quick, and then I'll show you guys what went down here. Yeah. Everything else is connected. This is the yellow wire, and then I got my ground that's connected here. I got my main power source, my constant main power source, that's connected down here on this sturdy plug. And yeah, done this before on Shadow. For those that don't know, this is my first P5, and this is how Shadow sits. That's how Shadow sits. Boost gauge is here. Don't mind the busted seat. So yeah, let's get to this one. Alright, so let me bring you guys here. Here's the Dremel. Looks like I got some cutting blades, the manual, sanding bits and buffering bits, drilling bits, and then these are for polishing, and these as well, some extra rods. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use right now. I may see if I just go ahead and slap on one of these, because I am cutting into metal. So yeah, let me read these suckers a little bit and get back to you guys. Alright guys, so got the turbo timer on. It's not exactly as I planned it out to be. Oh, I can't even take it out. I need 2 hands for that. Give me a minute. Alright, so I take it out. Look at this. Like I was saying, it did not come out as planned. To be honest with you, I didn't remember that this sucker is it's sort of like a metal. It's like a mixture of like metal and some other things, but it's really hard. I got into it with the Dremel. Where is it? I got into it with the Dremel as much as I could, and then I went ahead and used my trusty wrench and snapped the pieces off. But yeah, that's how I got that. Not sure how that's gonna affect this going back on. We will see. The one in shadow, when I did do it, the one in shadow did not stay. This one did. I hope it still does. But yeah, this whole thing, it's not like I'm gonna be bringing it in and out, right? But it sucks. I'm gonna try to see if I can shave some of this off. Made enough room to get it on, and yeah, just hit it real quick. Much better. I'll try it on and see if it doesn't scrape this time. Something's going on. Something's still touching. I think I know what it is. Before I slapped it on a little while ago, I dropped this in here and slightly lifted up the metal as much as possible. Let's see, that did it. Perfect. Now let me just clean all this mess up. Pass the vacuum in the car, put everything back on, and she'll be ready for the road. Alright guys, so it's done. Kind of don't like how this thing looks right here, this gap, but I got an idea and you guys will see it. I'm guessing since this is in there and that's getting pushed up, it is lifting up the piece quite a little bit. But let's see where my keys at. Keys. Got it. See how it looks. Oh, that's right, no battery. Let's try that one more time. Turn on the battery. There we go. And once again, see how this looks. I guess since it's getting squished, buttons are kind of funky. Have to fix that. Alright, so I fixed the button issue. It was because the little bracket thing was actually squishing it, so I'm cutting it off. I'm about to buff it out, square it up a bit, and yeah, that's basically how it's gonna sit. I'll finish it up real quick. Alright guys, so after getting myself all dirty, finally finished it up. Had to cut a little bit on the top just so it could sit more perfect. This little edge was really bugging me, and I know I'm just gonna be driving it around, but it was gonna bug me, so now I just gotta get some more glue on here and put it on its place, push this dude into its place, and turbo timer is done. Let's try it out one more time. Here's the key. There's the turbo timer on. There it is at 1 minute, and there you go. All done. Now I just gotta put everything back. Nice. If you guys got any questions, or if you guys need a specific video where you guys need me to show you what was done, I am more than gladly to take this sucker off and redo everything again and do a more proper video. I feel like this video, since it was divided in 2 days or whatnot, I feel like this video might be a bit on the, I showed some things and maybe I didn't show some other things that I did, but I tried to cover it as best as possible. But like I said, if you guys got any questions, feel free, let me know. Crypto out. Peace. Like a sumo. And it's off. Sweet. Alright, you guys, so turbo timer is on. Now it's time to get to the exterior part of the car where the engine sits. Just wrap these suckers up real quick on some gold heat reflecting tape and clean it up, give it a wash, pass the vacuum, put everything that I take off back on. So let's get to it. Now y'all, so this is what we got going on. Wasn't able to find this little cap, but technically it's this cap that's here. On shadow, I did take this half off and only left this space so I could get my turbo timer on. And yeah, I just gotta find it. I didn't find it right now, so I am gonna currently just leave it sitting like that. It does bug me a bit, but it doesn't bug me as much as this gap did. But yeah, I'm done. All the bolts are on, everything is back on place. Only thing that's missing is to connect the battery. And that's how she's sitting. She's a bit dirty. But I did say I was gonna clean her up a bit, so I think I might go ahead and do that, and then we finish. Oh, should have probably go ahead and wash her. I don't know how dirty it looks on camera, but she's filthy. So I'm gonna wash her up and clean the rims, shine her up, and yeah, 2.0 gang. Hey, what's up you guys? Your boy KriptoV5 here, and yup, the video's over. Thank you guys for sticking around. The video will continue next week. I am trying to drop a video at least once every week. Most likely it's gonna be either a Saturday or a Sunday. I will let you guys know on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me, go ahead and do it now. My Instagram is crypto_b5, just like my YouTube page. Hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. If you guys have, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little notification bell so you guys get notified when the next video drops. Thank y'all for being part of the KriptoVlog family. I appreciate y'all. Peace.